on, everybody? It's your boy Greg Peters, Miata Dad, Car Passion Channel coming at ya, and we are out here. Boy, are we out here today. What we're doing is I'm about to turn the Miata back up to the level that it made 415 horsepower. It's gonna be the first time since 2017 that I'm actually able to drive the car at that power level, and really the first time that I will be able to enjoy it. I'm shaking. Like I'm nervous right now because there's a chance first pull I could just like obliterate something. I don't know. Who knows at this point. But the car has been on E85 for about a week. The clutch has been fully broken in, but it just felt wrong to try to turn it up without you guys here. So I waited until this beautiful Sunday, got some open roads, and we're gonna be cranking the boost. I think it's gonna go well. I hope it's gonna go well. Whatever happens, it's gonna be awesome, so come join me. So let me give you guys a little tidbit of information about this whole flex fuel thing, because I feel like so many people just go online, they're like, yeah, I put E85 in my car, now it makes all this power. And they might know the reasons why it makes the extra power, but a lot of times they don't really elaborate. They're just like, oh yeah, I got 100 more horsepower. So it's not the E85 that makes the extra power. The fuel is not more explosive or anything like that. It actually burns cooler than gasoline and has less energy per gallon. But the reason you make all the extra power is because what you can do with the engine when it's running on that fuel. It's a lot harder to detonate E85, so you can run a lot more ignition timing and a lot more boost, and it's safer to get higher intake temperatures as well in the engine. So when I originally dynoed the car, I set up a spark map on 91 octane and another spark map for E85. And with the ethanol sensor in the car, it simply blends those two maps. So the more E85 I have in the tank, the more aggressive the ignition timing gets automatically. I did the same thing with the boost tables. Now, the one on the left is for 91 octane, the one on the right is for E85, and I've had it turned down basically to the 91 octane level this whole time because I've been waiting to take you guys for a ride on full bore. So I have my full power E85 tune. I'm gonna load that boost table up, and we're gonna get this bad boy back up at 21 pounds of boost. So I'm gonna copy that from my full power tune. Boost duty 2, I'm gonna paste that whole table in there. And I'm actually gonna back it off a little bit in the high throttle cells, because tuning open loop boost on the dyno is different from tuning on the road. It's a different amount of load, so it is possible to over boost. So I'm just gonna turn it down about 10%. It's time to take the car out. I'm so nervous. Let's do this. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. I'm testing out a new mic setup, so it might take a little getting used to and a little bit of adjusting. I checked the data log, 13 pounds. I'm so not used to how much more power it makes on E85 just with the timing. This is gonna be nuts. I raised the boost about 8% on the duty cycle, so we should be hitting pretty hard this time. Check the log and see how much boost that was, because that was a lot faster. That was only 17.5 pounds of boost. We still have another 3.5 pounds to put in it. Should we send it, boys? That didn't sound good. That was clutch slipping. Oh boy. What do I do with this car, man? Clutch is supposed to be good for over 400 foot-pounds of torque. I'm hoping it's just an adjustment issue. The clutch, it doesn't really have much free play at the top, so I think there might be an issue with having a little bit of hydraulic pressure in the system, and it's kind of like opening the clutch just a teeny tiny bit. You can see here the green line is boost PSI, and the yellow line is RPM. So it's climbing slowly, and all of a sudden it shoots up to red line because the clutch slipped like gnarly. That is at 20 pounds of boost, so that's pretty much full power. Clearly, the clutch just ain't up for it right now. Should we send it again, boys, and see if she holds? A little overboost. It's all good though. Just a little overboost protection. Nothing a couple little tweaks can't fix. That's interesting. I'm pretty sure that was up at full boost and it was holding. My foot, I was pulling back on the clutch pedal, so I give it another run here. Oh my god. Oh my god, this thing is fast. Holy shit. I can't believe how freaking fast this thing is. Insane, man. I don't think this is safe. I am pretty much at a loss for words, both because the car is running so well and because I've never freaking been in anything that fast. Why do you even need that much power? Oh yeah, the street cred. Anyways, I've got a lot of fun content planned for the car now that it runs, and this is gonna be awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope everyone is as stoked as I am that the car is running well. Hopefully it's gonna stay that way. I have a feeling it will this time. Hopefully, even though I have lots of struggles and I'm always posting about my car breaking, it provides some motivation for you guys, because this is a final result. This is the result of so much work, so many mistakes, learning from those mistakes, and finally having something that is better than the end vision that I ever had for this car. Not that I'm done with it yet, but you get the idea. So hopefully these videos are motivating for you guys. You know, I post them for everyone to see, and hopefully everyone gets something out of them, you know, learn something. And I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. So I will see you guys in the next one. Freaking stoked, man. Stoked.